the derivative of the function secant of x minus 5x cubed is a 2 here through the by applying the chain rule and the logarithmic differentiation technique. Thank you for viewing this video. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It will help the growth of our channel. In this problem, we have to compute the derivative of secant of x to the power minus 5x cubed. Notice that this function can be seen as an exponential function because it is obtained by raising secant of x to the power minus 5x cubed. In this case, secant of x is seen as the base and minus 5x cubed is the exponent. We will have to use the fact that the exponential and the logarithmic functions are inverse functions. Then apply the chain rule to find the derivative. The exponential of log of x is equal x, which is also equal to the logarithm of the exponential of x. See that, we will also have to use the chain rule. Let us recall the chain rule. The derivative of the composition of two functions u of v of x is equal to v prime of x times u prime of v of x. Thus, we express f of x as exponential of logarithm of secant of x to the power minus 5x cubed. Using the properties of the exponential and the logarithm, in fact, f of x equals exponential of minus 5x cubed times logarithm of secant of x. As a matter of fact, we are using the fact that the logarithmic of x to the power y is equal to y times the logarithm of x. Now, we can take the derivative of both sides and use the chain rule. Actually, using the chain rule, the derivative of f is equal to the derivative of the product, minus 5x cubed, times, logarithm of secant of x, times exponential of the product, minus 5x cubed, times the logarithm of secant of x. Actually, in order to compute the derivative of the product, minus 5x cubed, times logarithm of secant of x, we need to use the product rule. Let us recall the product rule. The derivative of the product of two functions u of x times v of x is equal to u prime of x times v of x plus u of x times v prime of x. See that, in order to find the derivative of the quantity, minus 5x cubed times logarithm of secant of x, we need to use the product rule. In this case, the derivative is minus 5x cubed times the fraction secant of x times tangent of x over secant of x, plus minus 15x square times logarithm of secant of x. Eventually, f prime of x is equal to the quantity minus 5x cubed times the fraction secant of x times tangent of x over secant of x, plus minus 15x square times logarithm of secant of x times the exponential of minus 5x cubed times the logarithm of secant of x. This final expression can also be given as follows: f prime of x is equal to the quantity minus 5x cubed times the fraction secant of x times tangent of x over secant of x, plus minus 15x square times logarithm of secant of x times secant of x to the power minus 5x cubed. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.